Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 9th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir had a earnings call today. If we look at the summary here on TradingView, we see that they have a little bit of a miss on the earnings, but they have a tiny surprise for the revenues. I invite you to watch any of Tom Nash's videos on Palantir to understand better what happened. But I will just concentrate on the technical analysis aspect of it. So basically, stock dropped down by $2.02. That's 21.31%. Closed at 746. And post-market, we are even down by 10 cents. So this is absolutely incredible. This stock has been crushed like crazy. We had last week 1013, and the last support that we have on the chart for Palantir was at $9. $9 was the last support because this is at that point where during the IPO in October of 2020, this was the lowest point at $9. And we just crushed that $9 support. So people that bought at the IPO are losing money right now, at least on paper. This is completely incredible. Look at the volume here that we are having, close to 170 million shares exchanged, compared to an average of 40 million shares. So this stock is being dumped like crazy, like no tomorrow. So the good news is that eventually Palantir is going to be extremely cheap. It's going to be extremely cheap, and I still think it's a great company, but nobody believes in it. So what can you do? You try to sell a stock that nobody wants to buy, and if you still want to sell it, then you will sell it at a loss, at a great loss. You can keep it. You can keep it because eventually it might go back up, because I still think it's a great company. But how long are you going to wait until it goes back up? So I think it's just better to get out of the stock, let it drop, and then buy it for pennies on the dollar, maybe at $1, $2, $3, $5. I don't know. But when it's going to start to come back again, then we can buy it maybe at $3. And then if we ride it to 100, then this is going to be a 33 times return on investment. It's not impossible. But yeah, I cannot say anything else. It just gapped down. It gapped down and it's stabilizing. Yeah, this is what I'm going to tell you guys. It's stabilizing right now. Woohoo. So let's celebrate. Let's celebrate it's stabilizing. We could still go down to $6 because if we look at the downward channel, this is our downward channel here, blah, 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 blah. And it's been a downward channel since a long time. It could easily go down to $640 and it could rebound at that point. So 640 might be a low that might be interesting to get into. And then if it bounces, we are going to have to check if that bounce has any power, because stock can just bounce as a pullback without any force in it and then keep going down. That's possible. But if it bounces and we have stochastic increasing and everything, then we are going to assess whether this is a good bounce that is going to lead to a recovery or just a regular bounce that is going to lead to a further low. So this is something that we are going to have to check, and it's going to take maybe a couple of weeks to see that. But I do a Tesla and Palantir video every single day. So if you want to be there when Palantir is going to come back up, just stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. You can also donate some Bitcoins and stuff like that. I accept everything. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.